Ladies and gentlemen, the action continues right now at the weigh-in. Our next contest, 10 rounds in the lightweight division. Now making his way to the stage, his professional record, 44 victories, 10 defeats. He has 17 wins coming by way of knockout. Presentando de Guadalajara, Jalisco, Mexico. Here is the reigning WBA Fed Latin lightweight champion and the former IBF lightweight champion of the world, Miguel El Titere Vazquez. Vazquez. And his opponent now making his way to the stage. He's a southpaw with a perfect professional record, 13 fights, 13 victories, 7 of them coming by way of knockout. Fighting out of Naas County, Kildare, Ireland. Here is the WBO European and the Irish national lightweight champion. Here is the undefeated Gary, the Diva, Cully. Now the scales, El Titere, Miguel Vazquez. For Vazquez, 9-8-1s for El Titere, Miguel Vazquez. And out of the scales, the undefeated Diva, Gary Cully. For Gary Cully, 9-8-6 for the fighter from County Kildare. Cully versus Vazquez, 10 rounds at lightweight matchroom boxing, live on DAZN.